What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today's video is another installation that we're gonna install on my BRZ. And if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe, comment, and share this video. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Let's go to the video and let's go unbox this one. Actually, I lied. I already unboxed this one, but yeah, let's see what we got. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going on track, now we gon' way up. So on today's install is we are going to install a Megan Racing strut bar. I've been really wanting to get this one as well for the longest time, and I've been like, should I get a Cusco, should I get a Megan Racing? And then yeah, so I decided to get the Megan Racing strut bar. So the strut bars are, you know, when you go to a track or go to like just daily driving, actually it will help your car so that it won't really have like a lot of body roll. If I'm not wrong, probably the comment would be like killing me right now, but yeah. So yeah, that's what the strut bar is for. So it will help like stabilize your corners. And my car, BRZ especially, they love doing corners. So it will help to stable the body, and it will help it a lot. So yeah, without further ado, let's go to the install of this one. And this installation is very easy. Yeah, it's just pretty much like take out your bolt from your suspension. From your suspension, just the top bolts, and just put it there, and then you're done. That's how the front look like. Like, it's very nice, fits in there. Oh yeah, let's go. Yeah. Very nice. So now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna do the back. The back is gonna be a little bit of challenge because I got a wing over there. I got the Battle Arrow wing, and yeah, let's go and fold that down, open the trunk, and get those stuff going. So let's go. Yeah, so now we are at the back part of the car. Yeah, I put down the what do you call this one? The Battle Arrow. It's functional right there. The trunk is still functional, and it's just a little tight space over here that we are working on. But yeah, because we have to cut these. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's get some light there. So we have to cut those. You have to cut these right here. You have to cut that to have a space for this bad boy right here. For that, it's gonna go like that. Something like that. So we're just gonna go cut it, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. We finally did it. It's done, and here is the result. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next vlog. I know it's a little bit short, but yeah, this is what I got, and it's a pretty easy install. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Have a good day. Love you all.